Hello guys, welcome to my channel Englio Matic. Today in this video I am going to tell you about a phrase, a case for. In this video you will learn to use this phrase in different situations. So without wasting a time, let's start our video. So let's start our video. A case for. The first phrase is to make a case for something. This phrase is used to give reasons to prove something or to show why something should or should not be done. Its example: it is very hard to make our case for traditional marriage to people who don't believe in it. Or you can make a stronger case for a raise if you have recently taken on new responsibilities. The second one is there is a case for or a case exists for. This phrase is used when there are good reasons to believe something or to do something. Example: there is a strong case for getting parents more involved in the school's activities. Other example is a strong case exists for adopting a similar system in our company. Next example is a case exists for increasing salaries to reflect cost of living changes. The third phrase, to argue the case for. This phrase is used to discuss the reasons for doing or not doing something. Example: the consultant argued the case for an independent central bank. Next one is they argued the case for more national funding to help maintain our roads locally. The fourth phrase, put forward a case for. This phrase is used to suggest reasons why something should or should not be done. For example, the doctors put forward a well-argued case for the medical use of marijuana. So guys, I hope you like this video. Do press subscribe button and bell icon to get notified so that you can get our latest videos. Thanks for watching.